trophy race. And the race is on by Forsari. Pass to begin Escapo. Darlinghurst from the outside kay Maki. Tarlac Supreme Leader Bruno is the early trailer by Forsari, followed by Darlinghurst. Escapo is running by Daryl 4 lanes. Corner backing for the favorite Supreme Leader. Alongside kay Maki, Tarlac, and Bruno is running at the tail of the field. Inside the last 600 by Forsari by about 3 lengths, followed by Darlinghurst. Escapo getting closer in fourth by the Rally Supreme Leader as they race the last 500 by Forsari by about 3 lengths. Darlinghurst Supreme Leader is running by the Rally Escapo in the middle, and Bruno as they swing for home by Forsari by about 2 lengths. Supreme Leader is running by the rail, but by Forsari by only a length and up. Supreme Leader is sneaking by the rail. Bruno on the further outside. Supreme Leader is now the leader. Bruno, and finally Supreme Leader Bruno by Forsari. Escapo. Number 5 Tarlac kay Maki.